In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Skype translator in just about 5 minutes. Whether you have family, friends, or colleagues around the world, language barriers can sometimes make communication a challenge. Luckily, Skype translator is here to help bridge that gap, making it easier for you to connect with others regardless of the language they speak. First off, let's get you set up by navigating to the Skype website. Once there, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Click on that, and if you're not already signed into your account, it will prompt you to do so. Signing in is a breeze. Just enter your Skype credentials, and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, look towards the top left corner of your Skype interface. You'll see 3 dots lined up vertically. This is essentially your gateway to a variety of settings and options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to proceed to the next step. After clicking on the 3 dots, a menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to find and click on Settings. This is where you can customize your Skype experience to suit your needs, but for our purpose today, we're focusing on getting the translator set up. Within Settings, navigate your way to the Privacy section. It's here that you'll find the options for translation and language detection. Enabling this feature is your key to breaking down language barriers. Click on this option to move forward with enabling Skype translator. And finally, to get the translator up and running, simply click on Enable. It's as easy as that. With this feature turned on, Skype will now offer real-time translation and language detection in your calls and messages, allowing you to communicate more effortlessly with people from all over the world. A quick tip, take some time to explore the language settings and preferences within the translator options. This ensures that Skype knows which languages you're most likely to encounter, optimizing its translation capabilities for your specific needs, and there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully enabled Skype translator, and you're ready to start chatting with friends, family, or colleagues, no matter what language they speak. Remember, technology has the power to connect us in ways that were once thought impossible, and Skype translator is a perfect example of that. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Happy chatting, and see you in the next video. Actually happy?